The 2011 Lexus RX 300. As one of the first entries in the crossover luxury SUV segment, the Lexus RX 300 provides a high seating position, available all-wheel drive, and generous cargo capacity, along with great fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, heated seats, backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, fog lights, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, leather, tachometer, brake assist. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.